David Ernest Cecil Smith. Wow. Had someone told me 9 years ago I'd be standing in front of you today on our wedding day at this altar, I would have thought they were completely out of their mind. But as I stand before you today, giving you my love and commitment, there is no better feeling in the world.
Karina, let me say that everyone is always surprised when they first hear me call you by your middle name. But it truly means the world to me because of who you are. I love everything about you, from your confidence in telling people how it is to your loving heart towards your family and your friends.
As your soon-to-be wife, I want you to know that I feel like the luckiest woman in the world to be up here with you. I never imagined a normal, calm man like you would love a crazy, loud woman like me. And I'm sure my family and friends are probably looking at us like they never imagined it either. Your humbleness and graciousness, and most of all, your patience motivates me and inspires me to be a better person. I love how no matter what craziness life throws at us, I know that you will always be positive and optimistic. You are truly my better half, as I am my best self when I'm with you.
I begin to think back about Tiana. I think we moved over in their neighborhood about 20 years ago. I think she was about 6 years old. But just to think 20 years later, she would be my daughter. And I appreciate you so much. I love you like you were my daughter. And I thank you for loving my son. That's the most important thing. I know David loves you, and I encourage you all to stick together.
I've had the pleasure of having David as part of my family long ago and love him as one of my own. So as he stands before my daughter, I couldn't be more thrilled for the love and happiness that awaits them both. Cherish every moment, embrace the challenges, and remember the power of communication and understanding is how to build a strong and lasting marriage.
I just want to say that words cannot even begin to express how happy I am for you, Tiana, and how proud I am to see the things you've accomplished with your life. And we all know Tiana got that strong-ass personality, but I also know that's what we all should love about her as well. I couldn't think of any person that better able to hold down the Tiana-ness and all that she got going on. So David, thank you for being the man you are, for showing the love to my sisters that you have. But I also want to say, brother man, good luck.
Marriage requires developing good communication, time together, frequent dating, and growing love. A wedding takes about 20 to 30 minutes to perform, but a marriage in a lifetime takes a lifetime.
I appreciate and cherish going through this life with you. We have had quite the journey to get to this point. We have grown so much together. You bring out the best in me, and I'll forever be grateful for that.
Karina, I promise to always stand by your side and keep you smiling. I promise to lift you up when you're down. I promise to wipe your tears when they're falling. I thank God for everything He has done for us both and the ways He has helped us grow in our relationship together. I am beyond blessed to start this next chapter with you, with my best friend.
David, I promise to try and be the best wife possible for you. I promise to never stop trying. I promise to always put you first. I promise to always be the last one up with you. I promise to always be down when it's time to pour up. And I promise to always be your hype woman and to be your number one supporter. And of course, I promise to love you forever. I'm so excited for our future together and starting a family and creating new memories as husband and wife. I love you.
There's nobody else on God's green earth that's better for TT. Your patience and your tolerance and the love that you have for TT and everybody around you is unmatched. And Tiana's actually met her match. I wish you nothing but happiness and love for each other, and to always remember that you love each other. So it doesn't matter. Just remember that you two have set the bar high, and you continue to set the bar high for what love looks like.
As you embark on this chapter together as husband and wife, remember that marriage is not just about finding someone who makes you happy. It's about making each other happy. It's about supporting one another, respecting one another, and growing together as a couple.
Tiana and David, may you push each other's buttons, but always push each other to pursue your dreams. May your laughter continue to fill up a room. I wish you two a lifetime of happiness, and I can't wait to watch you two continue to achieve your dreams together. Here's to love, laughter, and happily ever after. As David and Tiana start their new life, let's toast the new husband and wife. I love you guys.
So to David and Tiana, I wish you nothing but a lifetime of exciting adventures, never-ending blissful moments. I can't wait to see what the future holds for the both of you, and I'm so glad you found the perfect person to do it with. To Tiana and David, I love you guys.
I know marriage is sometimes difficult, but I encourage you all to get past your emotions and just continue to know that you love each other and that the love of God is with you. Love you all, and I love this awesome family that we are now connected. We are family, all right? Sister Sledge, we are family.